Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings to everybody, guys. Let's make the brief update on the Bitcoin market. As you can see, our suggestion was correct, and indeed, as market has stopped the downward action recently, it was a clear sign that if market wouldn't go to downside, it intends to go upside. And indeed, as you can see, this ABCD action that we have talked about recently has been completed. So now we're coming to final stage of the retracement, if we could call it. We need to estimate what pattern will be formed. So actually we have here the moment, this vital point, where there should be some clarity on the direction. So if market turns down here, we still have the chance to get this A, B, C, top, D pattern. Approximately the first target is OP around 88. XOP will stand even lower, around our major area that we're watching for, around 70 even. Or if somehow market will continue move higher and starts climbing higher, we could get, as we said, not the Gartner's triple 2 pattern, but we will get the butterfly, which finalize the weekly COP around 1530 area. And all things will depend on what will happen at this point. Because here, ABC retracement is done, we have Gartner's triple 2 sell, and if market indeed intends to go down, that's the very comfortable point, suitable point for this moment. Besides, on the daily chart today, we also will keep an eye on this candle, because here we could get, as you can see, the bearish grabber. So if market will close below the MACD predictor line, that will be bearish grabber, which suggests drop lower. So that's what we will keep an eye on today. So if you would like to go long and you think that market will continue move higher, you need to wait of the breakout of this area in upward action closer to the top. That will confirm the further upward action. For taking the short position, it's also a very comfortable situation because you could place relatively tight stop somewhere above this area. Because market should reverse either here or it will not reverse. So that's the culmination point for taking the bearish position as well. On the 4-hour time frame chart, here's the butterfly that we're talking about. Also take a look at the market with this upward action, erase this ABCD pattern that we talked about recently. So now we do not have any OP below the market because you can see price climbed above the C point. As price move above the C point, it means this ABCD pattern is not valid anymore. So we could consider only larger ABCD that I show you on the daily chart. And currently here we need to keep an eye on what will happen at this point. So at the same time here you could recognize this butterfly here is forming. You can see minor reversal, and also if you would like to go short, you could use it to do this. At the same point, market has not quite completed yet this ABCD retracement. So if we'll take a look at the hourly chart, that's our ABCD pattern, you could see that based on the hand shoulders that we also said yesterday, hand shoulders have started pretty nice. So that was chance to go long right at the bottom of the right arm. So you can see here is where the target should stand. It's approximately 1312 area. So it's one leg up still should be done to complete the hand shoulders target and to complete the butterfly 127 extension. So that's what should happen in the nearest future, but then we should keep an eye on this area to understand what will happen. If market will continue climbing high, coming to the top here, it will tell you that market intends to continue upward action and probably breakout will follow. If downward action indeed will start, market starts acceleration down based on pattern that we have on the 4-hour time frame chart. Sorry, not on the 4-hour time frame chart, on the daily chart, forming the bearish grabber. That will tell you that where we should get this downward continuation. So this is our update on the Bitcoin market today.